इज्जत है जिनसे इल्म की वो उस्ताद हैं हमारे। इज्जत है जिनसे इल्म की वो उस्ताद हैं हमारे। दुनिया की रोशनी है वो रहनुमा सितारे। Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Like Smarties. So as you all know, today is very special occasion. Today is Teachers Day और Teachers Day को उर्दू में कहते हैं यौम असातिज़ा किराम। यौम असातिज़ा हमारे लिए एक खास मौका फराहम करता है कि हम उन तमाम मुअल्लिमीन का शुक्रिया अदा करें जो हमारी जिंदगियां संवारते हैं। हैप्पी टीचर डे टू आवर बिलव्ड टीचर्स।
Everything you said, classrooms filled with joy and fun. Every moment a new chance. You taught us more than books and sums. Life's an endless dance. Happy Teachers Day to you, for all the dreams made true. Lifting spirits high and strong. We give thanks through this song, guiding us through right and wrong. With a heart so pure and kind, you've made us feel we all belong in the world of endless mind. Every lesson learned so well, every story you would tell, from a chalkboard's magic spell, we know you care, we can tell. Building futures with your hand, and patience, love, new chance. You'll carry forward all your plans with a grateful smile. Happy Teachers Day to you, for all the dreams made true, laid true. Lifting it with your hands, with the patience, love and kindness. You carry forward all your plans with a grateful smile. Happy Teachers Day to you, for all the dreams made true. Lift these spirits high and strong. We give thanks through this song. We give thanks through this song. Through this song.
On the behalf of Teachers Day, I would like to thank my all teachers who have been teaching me from preschool. First, I would like to thank my preschool teachers, Miss Madiya, Miss Amara, who do many efforts for me. Then, come to the junior school teachers, Miss Itrat, Miss Shiba, Miss Amber, Miss Amrit. They also have done too much hard work and effort for me. So once again, I wish them very happy Teachers Day.